In our health lead now, there is growing alarm about a potential oxygen shortage in hard-hit southern hospitals where intensive care units are packed with COVID patients. As CNN's Athena Jones reports for us now, this comes amid worries about the virus spreading in schools and during the Labor Day travel rush.
This Labor Day weekend, the message from federal health officials is clear.
First and foremost, if you are unvaccinated, we would recommend not traveling.
And given the surge in COVID-19 infections, the U.S. now averaging more than 160,000 new cases a day, the CDC says even those who are vaccinated should take precautions. U.S. air travel hitting a 15-week low Tuesday, according to the TSA. Travel experts citing COVID concerns. With more than 101,000 people hospitalized nationwide, the Biden administration now closely monitoring oxygen supplies. Hospitalizations in Georgia up tenfold since the beginning of July. Idaho's governor warning his state has only a handful of intensive care unit beds left.
Where hospitals have converted other spaces to be used as contingency ICU beds, those are filling up too.
The toll on the nation already steep and rising. Average daily COVID deaths now topping 1,300, more than doubling since mid-August. And there are growing concerns about rising cases among children who are already being hospitalized with COVID at the highest rate in more than a year, according to CDC data.
Most either are unvaccinated or under the age of 12 and unable to get vaccinated. The numbers have been 3 or 4 times what we were seeing last winter at its peak.
School districts in 2 counties in northern Florida shutting down for several days, either due to a spike in COVID cases or quarantine-related staffing shortages, or both. Neither district mandates masks. Governor Ron DeSantis has banned school mask mandates in the Sunshine State. Still, Volusia County School Board, over fiery objections, voting late Tuesday to join a dozen other counties in implementing mask mandates, meaning they could lose state funding.
This governor, time and time again, has shown a complete depraved indifference for human life, especially for our children. We are seeing cases, the largest section of cases in our state last week were those under 12 years old.
Meanwhile, in Vermont, 75% of eligible children have received at least 1 dose of vaccine, the first state to reach that threshold. The state has the highest overall vaccination rate in the country and, as a result, the lowest COVID hospitalization rate.
And there is good news when it comes to vaccinations. About 14 million people got their first COVID-19 vaccine dose in August, nearly 4 million more than in July. Jake?
All right, Athena, thank you so much.